Welcome to day 2 of the 2018 Premier International Women's Business Systems Virtual Summit. This day is all about marketing and social media. So what are we going to learn? Oh my gosh, I am super excited to have several of our speakers talking about Facebook ads and retargeting and finding ways in which to connect with your audience, building this web presence that is just stellar and skyrocket your visibility and ability to go after your target market. Filling your content calendar with ease, putting people first inside a company gift funnel. Like, these are all ways in which you reach out to your target market and bring them back, driving traffic to your website, to your products, and to your services. And I'm super excited that you are here and that you are going to dive in with us and learn more. So just a short reminder, these videos today will be available for a 24-hour period from the time that they go live. Make sure you take an opportunity to check out each and every one of them. And if you decide that you've run out of time, click on one of the buttons below and grab that all access pass, because that is a stellar deal to have more than over 100 videos that you can watch at any given time. Lifetime access as you're going through and you're building your business to all of these amazing speakers who have already done it, and they can show you how. So you definitely do not want to miss that. I've also planted all sorts of links below each video to help guide you as you're going along, connecting with the speakers, grabbing products or services that I've used in my business along the way, and other such links like that. So definitely click on those. And I look forward to seeing you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.